Okay, good afternoon class.
Good afternoon, sir.
So today we're looking at book C, worksheet 2, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Book D, worksheet 2. D. So there we go. Okay, so the first sum says 20 minus 12 divided by 3. So what do we have? We have subtraction and division. So what must be done first? Division. So it's going to be 20 minus 12 divided by 3 is 4. 20 minus 4 is 16. Any confusion there?
No, sir.
Number 3. So you got 2 fifths divided by 2 plus 7 over 30. So we got division and addition. So what must be done first? Division. So this will change to multiplication, tumble and times. Not so. So it's 2 over 5 multiplied by 1 over 2 plus 7 over 30. So what needs to be done first now? Multiplication. So is there anything you can cancel here? Yes. 2 goes into 2 ones. 2 goes into 2 ones. Anything there? No. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. 5 multiplied by 1 is? Plus 7 over? So what's your LCM here? 30. And multiply this by? 6. 30 must multiply by 1. So 1 multiplied by 6 is 6. Plus 7. 1 6 plus 7. 13 over. Okay. Look at the next one. Number 5. Here we got 10 minus 2 and 2/3 multiplied by 1 and 7/8. What needs to be done first? Multiplication. But we need to change to improper fractions first. So this is 10 over 1 minus 3 times 2 is 6 plus 2 is 8 over 3 multiplied by 7 times, 1 multiplied by 8 is 8 plus 7 is 15 over. This is again 10 over 1 multiplication first. Yes? Sorry? 8 over 6. How do you get 8 over 6? Check here, what do you have there? Check. Okay, so is there anything you cancel here? 8 goes into 8 once, 8 goes into 8 once. Is there anything you go to 3 into 15? 3 goes into 3 once, 3 goes into 15? 5 times. 1 multiplied by 5 is 5. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. So 10 over 1 is the same as 10 minus 5, which is 5. So any confusion there? 4 multiplied by 2. So what needs to be done first? The brackets. So what's your LCM between 6 and 4? 12. You will multiply this by 2. Multiply this by
3.
1 multiplied by 2 is 2. 1 multiplied by 3 is 3. Multiply by 2 over?
1.
What's 2 plus 3?
5.
5 over 12 multiplied by 2 over 1. Is there anything to cancel here? Yes. 2 goes into 2 ones. 2 goes into 12.
6
6. Anything there? So 5 multiplied by 1 is 5. And 1 multiplied by 6 is 6. The 1 says 5 over 6. Okay. Let's go to number 9. So here we have 51 divided by 4 over 11 plus 2 over 3. Of course, brackets first. Not so. It's 51 over 1. Can I swap around here? No, it has to be one fraction. So it's divided by, what's your LCM here? 33. So 11 multiplied by what is 33? 3. That will give us 12 plus 3 multiplied by what is 33? 11. 2 multiplied by 11 is? So it's 51 over 1 multiplied by, and since it's a fraction, I can tumble and times. So it will be 33 over 34. Is there anything that can go into 15 and to 34 without remainder? 17 goes into here 3 times, 17 goes into there twice. 3 multiplied by 33 is 99 over 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. Here's my goal. As 49 and a half is absolutely correct. Okay. The next one, number 11. Again, what needs to be done first here? The brackets. It's 11 over 12 divided by. Change this to improper fraction. It's going to give you 27 over 10 minus 2 over 50. So what do we do now? What do we do now? Change it to multiplication. No? We need to have one term inside the bracket, or one fraction, before we can change it to multiplication. So you're going to find an LCM first, not so. So it's 11 over 12 divided by, what's your LCM inside this bracket? 30. So 10 multiplied by what is 30? 3. You multiply by 3. What's 27 multiplied by 3? 81. So 15 multiplied by what is 30? 2. 2 multiplied by 2 is? 4. So we're going to change this to multiplication, tumble and times. So it's going to be 11 over 12 multiplied by 30 over. Now 81 minus 4 is 77. Is there any number that can go into 11 and to 77 without remainder?
Yes.
11 goes into 11 once, 11 goes into 77, 7 times. Any number that goes into 6 and into 12 without remainder? Not 6, sorry. 12 and 30. 6. And? So 1 multiplied by 5 is? 5. 6 multiplied by 7 is? 42. So that answer is 5 over 42. Number 13. So we've got 7 and 3/5 divided by, in brackets, 2 and a fifth minus 14 over 15. So what needs to be done first? The brackets. But prior to that, we're going to change this to improper fractions first. So 7 multiplied by 5 is 35. Plus 3 is 38 over 5. Must be divided by. So I don't have one term inside this bracket yet. One fraction. So I have to retain that bracket until I get to that stage. So what's 5 multiplied by 2? 10 plus 1 is? 11 over 5. Minus 14 over. So what needs to be done now? The brackets again. So it's going to be 38 or 38 over 5 must be divided by, what's my LCM inside the bracket? 15. So I must multiply this by 3. And this by 1. What is 11 times 3? 33 minus 14. So that is going to be 38 over 5 multiplied by 15 over 19. So is there any number that goes into 19 and to 38 without remainder? Yes. 19. 19 going to 19 once, 19 going to 38
Twice.
So any number that can be simplified here?
Yes.
5 goes into 5 once, 5 going to 15? 3 times. So what is 2 multiplied by 3? 6. Over? 1. And 6 over 1 is?
6.
Any confusion there? Right? Number 15. So first we need to do, we need to change the decimal to fraction and the fraction to improper fraction. So 3 multiplied by 15 is 45 plus 2 is 47 over 15 minus. Now 2.8 can be written as 28 over 10. Because there is one digit off the comma. And the sum is multiplied by 4 over 7. So what needs to be done first? Multiplication. So it's 47 over 15 minus 7 goes into 7 once, 7 goes into 28, 4 times. 2 goes into 4 twice, 2 goes into 10, 5 times. So what is 4 multiplied by 2? 8 over 5 multiplied by 1? 5. What is your LCM here? 15. So 15 multiplied by 1 gives you 47 minus 5 multiplied by what is 15? 3. 24, 8 times 3 is? Now 47 minus 24 is 23 over
15.
So any confusion there? When do we find an LCM, people? Only when we adding and subtracting, no? Yes? Sorry? The decimal. Okay? So you got 2,8. What did you write? 2 and 8 over 10. And you multiply 2 by 10, what do I get? 20 plus 8 is 28 over 10. Or if you wanted, you could have said 2 and 8 over 10. 2 goes into 8 4 times, 2 goes into here 5 times, so it's 2 and 4 over 5. Is that what you got? And then you convert it, so it's going to give you 10, 14 over 5. If you simplify 28 over 10, you also get 14 over 5. Yes?
If you simplify it, it's
1 and 8 over 15. This here?
Yes.
Oh, 1 and 8 over 15. Okay, so I am accepting that improper fractions. Okay. So later on when we speak with regards to algebra, and then we would want you to leave your answer in mixed form. Or improper form. Okay. People, for number 17, what do we do here? Change to improper first. Not some. So that's going to give us 8 plus 1 is 8 plus 7, sorry. It's 15 over 3. 8, sorry. Must be divided by. But this we can change to multiplication, double and times. It will be multiplied by a third minus. And this here can be cancelled or simplified. Not some. Is there anything you can cancel here? No. Here? No. So it's straight multiplication. 3 multiplied by 5 is 15 over. 4 times 8 is 30. You all agree with that?
Yes, sir.
No. So is there anything that can simplify here? 3 goes into 3 once, 3 goes into 15. 5. Anything you can cancel here? So 1 multiplied by 5 is 5, 8 multiplied by 1 is 8, minus 15 over 32. So what's my LCM now? 32. So 8 multiplied by what is 32? 4. So that gives me 20. 32 multiplied by what is 32? 1. So 15 multiplied by 1 is 15. What is 20 minus 15? 5. So the answer is 5 over. Is there any confusion there? Alright, so all okay with that? Okay, and you guys have done worksheet 3 as well, no? Odd numbers. Alright?